Want to extract the audio from any video cleanly and quickly? In this video, I'll show you practical FFmpeg commands to extract audio without losing quality. Make sure FFmpeg is installed. For that, search for command prompt and open it as administrator. Type FFmpeg version. If you see this output, then you are in luck. If your computer doesn't have configure FFmpeg yet, check this detailed video, or the link is given in the description. Our video file is stored in F drive, in video file folder. Let me play the file first so that you can hear the audio. Are you curious about ChatGPT but don't know where to begin? Let us start. We want to extract the audio from this video, and want to save it as MP3 file. Let us do it. Open FFmpeg and type this command. Let us explain each piece. First, FFmpeg. This parameter has to be typed before every FFmpeg command. After that, I is necessary as almost every command. I is used before the input file. In our case, the input file name is firstfile.mp4. The file is stored in F drive in video file folder. The format of input file is MP4. Q means audio quality setting. 0 is the best possible audio quality. Map is used to select which streams to include in the output. A means audio streams only. Simply it tells FFmpeg to ignore the video and just extract the audio track. Audio file is the name of the output audio file, which FFmpeg will create. MP3 is the audio format which we need right now. After checking every piece of command, now press enter. And the command is successful. If you got any issue, let us know in comment section to find out the problem. Now let us check the output file. There it is. The file name is audio file. Go to the properties and see. The format is MP3 now. If you like the video, subscribe the channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.